Alrighty, I don't know when this is going off, but a watch, a severe watch was just issued. So I don't know when it's gonna go off. Don't think they're issuing it onto the radios just yet.
Thursday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of light showers through around midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Again, the forecast for southeast Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Jefferson.
Issues severe thunderstorm watch.
Mostly cloudy.
Oh.
Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 561, effective until midnight Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson, Lafayette, Marquette, Rock, Sauk, Walworth, Waushara, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Wisconsin.
Alright, so there you have it. Severe thunderstorm watch.